Your move is right around the corner and you're probably already thinking packing. What are your plans? How are you going to do it? Do you have enough time? Who's going to take care of packing for you? Or what type of packing supplies are you planning on using? At Ameritex Movers, we are the professionals when it comes to packing services. Packing with a professional moving company allows you to be able to save so much time, so much money, and the headaches of it all, because the amount of time that it takes us to take care of that for you is so beneficial. Even though right now it looks like that there's not a whole lot, as you start unpacking and going into the closets and the drawers, things tend to multiply. When we do packing, we take things into consideration in terms of the safety of your furniture too. So emptying out drawers is one of the most important things that we require all of our customers to do. But our customers tend to think that it's okay to leave the contents inside of the drawers, kind of like a little makeshift box. But in reality, what happens is the movers move these furniture pieces not in its normal position, however, upright. And when those drawers shift because of the weight that's inside of it, it compromises the integrity of the furniture. So there's not a lot of things that we think about logistically when it comes down to planning for a successful move, but there's all these little elements that you want to take into consideration. And when hiring the experts to be able to take care of that for you, you'll definitely have peace of mind. Our packing services include the labor and also the packing materials. So whether it's the packing materials that you have that you simply need us to use to be able to get your items boxed up, or it's packing supplies that you need us to provide. Depending on what your needs are, we're here to make sure that they're met. Look, we know it's important for us to be flexible when it comes to moving. So even 24 hours before your move, if you decide that you need packing supplies or packing services, simply give us a call and we'll be glad to make sure that they're dispatched with your move.